Baby, I've been rocking this hairstyle for a good 2 years and it's time for it to come to an end. I really want to commit to growing my hair out. So before I do that, let me show you how I achieve my version of finger waves. So I always start on freshly washed hair. I don't be doing nothing special, girl, but I am currently using and loving Taraji's hair care line, specifically the scalp stuff, baby. I've trialed many gels and I ended up really loving this Wetline Extreme Gel. I've bought it 11 times, girl. It's only $5 at Target and I be going through tubs, baby. So first I get a rat tail comb. Whatever rat tail comb you have is fine. Always part it on the side. Okay, I look like somebody's granddaddy. Take the comb, scoop it inside the gel. Okay, because I don't really like getting my fingers caked in gel. And I just generously apply this all throughout my hair. Because essentially I'm going to mold my hair and I also want the style to last at least 3 days. Okay, I pretty much put half the damn tub on my head. Now I'm just going to really comb it through and make sure every strand is coated in the gel. This style came about because I was really attempting to do the traditional finger wave hairstyle on my hair and I was getting so frustrated. That style is really hard to do on your own, okay? Especially when you have hair that doesn't cooperate, you know. So I just did one swoop and instead of swooping it back, the traditional style, I was just like, you know what? Let me just keep making swoops. And I looked at it, I was like, you know what? This look kind of saucy. I asked other people for their opinion and they was like, yeah, that looks kind of wet, that look dipped. And I said, okay, say less. I'm gonna keep doing this hairstyle then. So I really take my time to do the first swoop. I mold it, make sure the hair is going in the direction that I want it to. It's way easier to do this when your hair is cut properly. So through trial and error, I figured out low top fade was perfect. And I just swoop it back. Boom, that's literally it. I'm basically just creating a big old swoop, girl. I kind of like to create a lot of sections because it just looks better in photos. Okay, I do it for the photos. The concept is just molding and pulling it back. I do this style so much because it's really all I can do. I don't know how to style. First of all, I don't like dealing with hair. Baby, that's one thing for certain, two things for sure. I don't like dealing with hair. If I had it my way, I would go to a hairstylist every single day. But you know, that's not really feasible. It's definitely giving Betty Boop. I get that comparison a lot, baby. I ain't mad at it. This side is a bit easier to do. My hair is thinner on this side. I do have thin, sparsely dense hair, but I finesse it so it gives full head of hair. But yeah, I really have to finesse. At least my hairline is not receding, okay? The hairline is there, it's intact, I'm happy, okay? She has her edges. And that's really as simple as it is. Just get the gel off this hairline. Unfortunately, my mama just passed down bald-headed genes to me, damn. This is actually my first time using this particular root touch-up, but I usually use L'Oreal Magic Root cover-up or Kiss Temptation. I love Kiss Temptation much better because, baby, it lasts, okay? It's gonna last through the rain. It's gonna last through anything. I literally just boom, boom, boom. You know, you can see the thinness right here. It's not too bad, but it's obvious, right? So I just try to, you know, give it a little swoop-de-doo action. So I just take the spray and I just, woo. I just get the sparse areas, you know? Boom, and that's what I do. Okay, this is how it looks after the face is did. It's semi-dried down, but still wet to the touch. I just allow my hair to air dry, but if you want it to dry real quick, go on ahead and sit under the hair dryer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.